Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for viewing me once again. And remember guys, I'm Indonesia. You have been following my journey from Jakarta to Bandung, and now I'm in Yoga. So today, guys, I have done a Batik class with Nunu, and you will see, I will put her link in my description so that you can see when you're here in this city, you must take this class, guys. It's a wonderful class, and her dad also took us around the village, and we learned a lot of history and culture right here in this village of
Kotagede.
Right, guys, you know that my pronunciation of this is very bad, so I need to have some help. So guys, I will show you, I actually doing Batik here and my walk around the village. So you will get to follow me along on my journey. Thanks again for watching, and remember to like my channel. And you can comment as well. So bye for now, guys. So hey guys, I'm here today at a Batik class, and I'm doing some Batik painting. So this is what I will start with, some flowers. So you will see afterwards how it come out. So this is our workshop, guys, and I'll take you along with me as we do our Batik. So I'm going to just show you a quick video quickly, right? Okay. Right. Guys. So I can't wait for it to come out. Beautiful. Well, I hope it does.
One and then done with acrylic. But then Batik, so many process. Like, yeah, it's just so many process. Not just one dance. It's like waxing, color.
So hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make Batik. So let's first start. We are going to dip our wax, our tool here in the wax. So we are not going to take too much, just a little, just a tiny little bit. And we're going to wipe it here because it's hot, right? And then we're going to take a tool on our cloth and wipe it to make sure to stop the bleeding. So we're going to let it cool for just a little bit, right? Before we start outlining our flowers. So we're not aiming for perfection, guys. So don't matter if it is not perfect. We're going to just make sure that we outline our flowers a bit. And do not let the wax get too cold. So guys, I'm going to just pour it back in here, and I'm going to add some hot ones again. So not too much wax, just a little, guys. We're going to wipe it here. Then on the cloth to stop the bleeding. I'm going to wait just a few minutes. And then again, I will outline my flowers. So, oh, I make a mess there, guys, but don't worry about that. We're going to continue to draw. So let me just outline some small flowers here. This is just a small process, guys. So thank you, guys, and I'll continue later so you can see my finished product. Bye. Hey guys, I am here now in my second step. So after I finish do the waxing, this is the finished product. So I am now going to do painting of my flowers. So I'm putting on the lighter coat of the flower. So as you can see, I'm doing it here. So I can't wait for the whole process to be finished, guys. So you can see how lovely my Batik is. So guys, I'll come back to you when I am almost on my third process. Okay, so bye guys, and I'll see you later. See you. So, hey guys, after the Batik, we are strolling through the village to see what's here.
Yes.
So I have my tour guide and my friend here with us.
Full area here for
Yeah.
the Mataram Kingdom, but 16th century is the area of this.
Okay. So this, guys, is a really authentic village. So you get to see what people lives are like here. This is what I like. This is why I travel, to see these kind of places. So I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. So just follow me as we go around the village.
Okay. Here a little bit different style because in 1900 already that's Dutch. The outside building with the Dutch style. As you see, the wall is higher. Yeah, the green one, this one, and also here as well. Also over there. So the ornament or the decoration, dragon on the top. But on the top is we call it keris.
Here.
One of the weapons from in refer to soldier in Java, especially from King Javanese king from here. So you see the shape of the weapon like that. This one still in the same owner on the green. So they have big land.
Listen here. So hey guys, we're continuing our walk through the village, and you can see some nice material of the buildings. You have a mango tree up here, and there are plenty of these in Barbados, so you are very accustomed to seeing them. The alleyways here, guys, are very small, but motorcycles, they come through these alleys very fast. So you have to be careful when you're walking. Right.
The motorbike sometimes. Okay, it's works around here is people for living, and area is traditional houses.
Make sure. Okay, let's go.
Tell you about area.
Okay.
It's starting from here. It's after I told you about the what you call the historical sites. And now I can tell you actually that you can read there. But the first person come here is we call it Pemanahan.
Maybe we can just walk.
What you guys want to do is fine with me. What is this area here?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry. This is the mosque area.
So this is the mosque, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, the mosque area.
As I told you, this is the gate.
You know, a lot of tamarind, and then we made like a candy, tamarind candy.
Oh, okay.
Tamarind, and then there is a sugar also. So tamarind and then sugar outside. And
What is
then
the
also
flavor of
we
the
also-
tamarind?
Okay, guys, so we are doing the big unveiling of Tammy's work.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Wow, beautiful.
That looks like a real thing.
It is a real thing.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Okay, so this is
Now,
what
this is
the
the-
batik
Look
that
at the
Tammy did.
colors.
Colors really nice, guys.
Oh,
Of a
yes.
temple, very very colorful
It is.
temple.
Yeah, it's a happy.
So this Tammy's temple. Okay.
Okay, now.
So you ready for mine? Drum roll, please. Okay, wow.
Oh, that's
Beautiful,
great.
yes. See my flowers, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Look at that.
And you thought I wasn't an artist, huh?